Hello guys, my name is Jonah. So today I'll be showing you how to add this feature. It's the auto caption sticker that you can actually add on Instagram. I believe this is not available to all countries, but it's saying here that this feature may be unavailable in Japan from countries located in Europe. So if you don't see this, I recommend you to actually update your Instagram. Maybe move country in Australia. I'm just kidding. So what you need to do is go to your Instagram story. So first of all, you gotta open your Instagram. Obviously you have to sign up for Instagram. I can't find the Instagram. So on the Instagram, so you just have to go to your story, as usual when you make a story. So here you just pick a video for you to actually add on your story. Now I've already made mine, I've actually made it today.
Just testing this out, the auto caption on Instagram. As you can see,
just wait for it.
The caption is actually capturing automatically on screen. It's pretty cool, huh? Just testing this out,
also change
the auto caption on Instagram. As you can see, the caption is actually capturing automatically on screen. It's pretty cool, huh?
And you can
Just testing this out.